Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a blur filter effect in Instagram. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram app. Once you're on the app, click the plus sign on the lower part of your screen. Once you're here, go to Story. Once you're on the Stories page, scroll all the way to the right of the effect screen. Then, as soon as you see the magnifying glass with the sparkle, click it. And then search for blur. Now select a few filters that you like, and then add them to your favorites by clicking this flag button. I suggest adding a few so that you have a lot of options. Now, after adding those to your favorites, click the lower left corner to open your gallery. Select an image you want to post, and then click the three sparkles at the upper right corner of your screen. And then here you can see all of the blur effects you've saved. Choose one, then that's it. You successfully added a blur filter effect to your Instagram story.